Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do an overhead press. At the end of the video, I'll give you some tips and tricks on how to improve the efficiency and the performance of this movement. Welcome to Move with Melinda, where I help you build resilience through movement and education. The overhead press is another type of moving plank where the torso stays rigid while the arms travel overhead. Reaching overhead is important because it allows you to reach for the top shelf, wash your hair, and throw your hands up in the air. This exercise gives you full control because you can stop anywhere between the collarbones and the ceiling. If you're experiencing any discomfort, you can stop anywhere in between. You can also think of this as a push exercise, but instead of pushing forward, you're going to push overhead. So let's try it. You're going to need one weight or two weights, one in each hand. I'm going to use the kettlebell, but you can use whatever you want here. I'm going to start by racking it, but you can just grab it in your hand if you're using a dumbbell or a barbell. From the collarbone, you're going to press up to the ceiling. So from collarbone height, all the way up to the ceiling, and then lower back down. Press up to the ceiling, and then lower down, keeping the entire torso nice and stiff and a strong grip on your weight. Grabbing your weights and bring them up towards shoulder height. From here, we're going to press the arms overhead and then lower all the way back down to the collarbones. Collarbones to ceiling, back down to the collarbones. You can also switch the grip by taking the hands to face inwards. From here, same thing, we're gonna go shoulders to ceiling, shoulders to ceiling. To improve the efficiency and performance of this exercise, keep a strong brace in the core. As the arms go higher and higher, you might notice that you start to have a bit of a back bend in your back, and that's okay as long as you can control it and you have no discomfort. Another tip is to keep your chest wide and high. This creates tension in the upper back, which will help you press overhead. When you're working through an injury, it's important to take small steps as you progress. This exercise allows you to stop anywhere between the collarbones and the ceiling. So make a choice that supports you and your recovery. The most important part is to stay consistent with the movement. So that was how to overhead press. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.